Swansboro Port Realty is your real estate guide to the Crystal Coast and surrounding area. Whether you are selling, buying, or looking for a property management team, Swansboro Port Realty would like to represent your next real estate transaction. Completely remodeled. All new paint, flooring, blinds, kitchen cabinets, granite countertops and stainless appliances. Beautiful 2-bedroom and 2.5 bathroom townhouse in quiet community very close to the back gate. Large open living dining kitchen area, laundry closet off kitchen and a screened-in back porch. Exterior storage closet. 2 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms upstairs, 1 half bath downstairs. Washer dryer hookup. Small pet negotiable. No aggressive breeds.